But I really feel that you are all very strong, and I'll go in detail with analysis. And I am quite confident that you will understand, because having understood Mubtada Khabar very well will make other things very easy for you. Now, I gave you the paper yesterday, and this is also something that is not supposed to be done, but I want to do it, because with the inna something else comes in the Quran, and now you will try to read inna and something else will come. And I really want you to enjoy it. I want you to enjoy it, okay? And that's the reason I'm going to introduce that to you, brothers and sisters. I give you a few simple examples. You will be able to figure out what's going on. Allahu Ghafurun Rahimun. Brothers and sisters, what is Allah? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Ghafurun. Khabar number 1, and this will be khabar number 2. When it comes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it's khabar number 1, khabar number 2. Now, I'm writing here. What did I write? Rabbuka Ghafurun Rahim. How many words in Rabbuka? 2. What are they, brothers and sisters? Mudaf, Mudaf ilayh. So where is our Mubtada? Rabbu, Wahuwa Mudaf, Ka Mudaf ilayh. Where is our Khabar? Ghafur. And then Rahim, Khabar number 2. What did I write? La Rabbuka. La Rabbuka Ghafurun Rahim. What is this la? In Arabic language, there are beautiful methods of putting emphasis. Okay? Putting emphasis, which, truly speaking, you cannot translate. You got to understand. And it's in the language itself, okay? So this la is called Lamu Ibtida. What is it called? Lamu Ibtida. I got you in the sheet, Sabada. Lamu Ibtida. I think it's Ibtida'u. Yes. It is called Lamu Ibtida'i. Mudaf, Mudaf ilayhi. Mudaf and Mudaf ilayhi. The lam of beginning. When lam of beginning is used, it emphasizes the whole sentence. It emphasizes the whole sentence. Puts an emphasis. La Rabbuka. See, if you say Rabbuka, Ghafurur Rahim, now you say La Rabbuka. There's an emphasis on it. Okay, so this is, when the lam comes in the beginning, it's called Lamul Ibtidai. Are you with me? Lam of the beginning. Okay, now, Inna is walking, and Inna comes and looks at this. La Rabbuka Ghafurur Rahim. So she says, who are you? Lam, who are you? Why are you standing in front of Rabbuka? Allah is asking, what are you doing here? What's your job? You came in the front. So Lam says, I emphasize the whole sentence. That's my job. He said, you emphasize the whole sentence? I don't see anything there. Nothing changed. Huh? Rabbuka, la Rabbuka. What kind of emphasis is this? Huh? Get lost. Look at me. When I come in the front, what happens to the sentence? So then Lam is pushed. You know, we push. And then Lam slips. Okay? Like a person slipping on a banana peel. He slips. Because Inna is coming to show Lam what kind of a job Inna does. So brothers and sisters, we get Inna. Now Inna says, look at me. As soon as I came in the sentence in front, I proved my point that I am emphasizing. And it says, Inna Rabbaka. Okay, see what I did. Now the Lam, you know, because he was in the front, he was taken out from the front, and now you have pushed. He said, I will still be part of the sentence, you know. Inna, you want to come in the front? No problem. I'll go and stand somewhere else. And I will still give emphasis. So, it became what happened? Inna Rabbaka Laghafurun Rahim. Brother, look at it. Can you translate this? No. The sweetness, the eloquence is in the language itself. That is why it is so important for us to learn the language of the Quran. And like this, there are hundreds of examples of various kinds in the Quran where you simply cannot translate. So what happened, brother? Inna Rabbaka. Now if I have something to bang my hand, you know how the speakers bang their hands. So if I were to emphasize, I'd say, Inna Rabbaka la Ghafurur Rahim. Twice I'll make my point, you know, to give importance to the sentence. Are you with me? So now the Lam was pushed. Can we call it Lamu Ibtida? No, now we cannot come because it's not in the beginning. Then it is called Lamu Mudhara. What is it called? What do you say? Lamu Mudhara. This is a 4-letter verb. And we are going to study in book 3. What is the root of it, brothers? Zahalaka. What is the meaning of Zahalaka? He slipped. He slipped. Okay, brothers and sisters. So it is called Lamu Muzalak because it slipped from its first place, and then wherever he found the place in the middle of the sentence, he stood up there. When I was studying, in Jordan, brothers and sisters, I had my teacher, and he was very, very humorous sometimes. We'll make little jokes here and there. And we live in Canada, we see snow all the time. They have never seen snow. They have seen only pictures. They see people skating on snow. Okay? So my teacher asked me, do you skate? I said, no, I don't skate, but my children do skate. I'm too old. He said, so call this lamb a skating lamb. What is it? Skating lamb. It will be easy for you to remember. Sometimes muzalak doesn't come in the very beginning. Later on, you will master it. But then, I always tell students that this is a skating lam. It was in the front. When inna came, it skated to the middle of the sentence. So the technical word is al-lamu muzhalak. And otherwise, in short, for our simplicity, we can say it's a skating lam, Now, brothers and sisters, this lam muzhalak can come after inna anywhere in the sentence. And I have given you lots of examples. So look at it, where it comes. The most beautiful example that I can see, brothers and sisters, is here. See, innal insana. What is after that? Lafi. What is this la? This is another emphasis. Can you imagine? We can read and we never understand. This is such an emphasis. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, innal insana lafi khusrin. That everybody, every human being is in khasara, is at loss. Innal insana lafi khusrin. Are you with me? And this will come in the Quran, in various forms. Yeah. What is it? Innaka laminal mursalin. Yasin wal Quran al Hakim. Inshallah, we'll analyze this. Innaka, see, truly, O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. But that is not enough, truly. Again, the law has to come to emphasize it more. You cannot translate, brothers. Innaka laminal mursalin. So, brothers and sisters, I give these two examples to you. Okay? And how will you analyze it? Inna harfu tawqid wa nasbin. Brother, insan, ismu inna, mansub, lam, lamu muzahalik. Lit tawqid, for emphasize. Lamu muzahalik, lit tawqid. And then what will be fi khusrin? Jar majrur, shibu jumla, khabar, in. Okay. Here again. Innaka, inna, harfu tawqid wa nasbin, ka, ismu inna, mansubun. And then la, lamu muzalik, lit tawqid. And the minal mursalin, jar majrur, shibu jumla, khabar. So you know mursalin, it comes from mursalun. Are you with me? Mursalun. Make it jama mudhakkar salim. Mursaluna. Now make it mansub and majroor. Mursalina. Mursalina. So when it came min, it changed from mursaluna to mursalina. You got the idea, brothers and sisters? Inshallah, this page will help you, and later on, as we progress, I will be selecting verses from this page and we'll try to analyze it. You can do it on your own. There are beautiful verses from Quran. Inshallah, it will make it very interesting reading for you, inshallah.